Hi, in last lecture we discussed how to design DFA if some position from the left side is fixed. We did for the second symbol from the left hand 0 and third symbol from the left hand is 1. Now we'll discuss how to design DFA if some position from the right hand is fixed. That was easy from the left side, but now from the right side it is difficult, so focus. So first example is the second symbol from right hand is 0. So which string it will accept? It will accept 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So here you can see this is the second symbol from right side. This is the second symbol. These are the 0. Second symbol from right side is 0. This is the second symbol here. This is the second symbol. So all strings are from this language where all the second symbol from the right side is 0. So W equal to X 0, then 1 position. Then this is the second position from right side. This is the first position from right side. This is the second position from right side. And this should be fixed 0. Before that it can be anything. Let's design the DFA for this. From Q0 by 0 it will go to state Q1, and from Q1 by 1 it will go to state Q2, and by 0 it will go to state Q3. Now the frame is constructed. Now it will accept 0, 0 and 0, 1. Okay, so this is just a frame constructed. Now I'll fill it. From Q0 by 1 it can be a self loop. Then for Q1 0, 1 transaction is there. Now for Q2, from Q2 by 0 it will go to state Q1 because it will be 0, 1. Then by 1 it will go to state Q0. Then from Q3 by 1 it will go to state Q2. So Q2 that will accept any string end with 1, and this will accept end with 0. And from Q3 by 0 it will be a self loop. Now this is the DFA that will accept all the strings. Just check 1, 0, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, then 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So first 0, then 1, then 0, 0, 0. So it will accept. Then 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, then 1, then 0, 0, 1. So it will accept. Now some might argue why we did separate state for 0 and 1. Like from Q1 can we do in one state and it will accept both 0, 1. Let me try and I will explain what is wrong there. So now just see, from Q0 by 0 it will go to state Q1, and from Q1 by 0, 1 it will go to state Q2. Here I separated Q1 state I took for 0, 1 state for 1. Here I just combine for 0, 1. Now from Q2 by 0 it will come to Q1, and by 1 it will come to state Q0. Now just check whether it accepts all the string or not. So 0, 0 it accepts 0, 0, 0, 1. So 0, 1 it accepts. Then 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 it accepts. Then 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 it accepts. Now check for 0, 0, 1. For 0 it will go to state Q1. Then from Q1 by 0 it will go to state Q2, and from Q2 by 1 it will come to state Q0, and it will not accept. This string will not accept. Next check this string. For 0 it will go to Q0 to Q1, then for 1 it will go to Q1 to Q2, then for third 0 it will come to Q1, then for next 0 it will go to Q2, and then for next 0 it will come to Q1, and it will not accept. Now check for this string. So for first 0 it will come to Q0 to Q1, then for 1 it will go to Q1 to Q2, then for 0 it will come to Q1, then for 0 it will go to Q2, then for 1 it will come to Q0, and it will not accept. So you saw in that DFA it is not accepting all the strings. We cannot merge these two states. It will be wrong. So now transaction table, from Q0 by 0 it will go to state Q1. Then from Q0 by 1 it will go to state Q0. From Q1 by 0 it will go to state Q3. And from Q1 by 1 it will go to state Q2. From Q2 is the final state mark as star, and start state as a arrow. So from Q2 by 0 it comes to state Q1, and from Q2 by 1 it comes to state Q0. From Q3 by 0 it is a self loop, so Q3, and from Q3 by 1 it goes to state Q2. So did you mark any pattern there? So this is the pattern. It starts from Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, then Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So this is the pattern. It is in a sequence. So in place of 0, all the odd. Okay, Q1, Q3, Q1, Q3, and in place of 1, all the even. So there is a shortcut that which is fixed, it is asking that will be odd, and which is not fixed, it will be even. Fixed is 0. Okay, so in place of 0, it will be odd like 1, 3, 1, 3. And in place of 1, it will be even like 0, 2, 0, 2. For fixed position, it will be odd state, and for not fixed, it will be even. This is just a shortcut trick. Okay, you can directly do it without shortcut trick also. And the minimal DFA that accept nth symbol from right end is fixed content 2 power n state, and number of final state is 2 power n minus 1. Here it was second symbol from the right end. So 2 power 2, that is 4 state, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, 4 state, and number of final state is 2 power 1. N minus 1, n is 2, so n minus 1, that will be 1. So 2 power 1, that is 2 final state. I think you guys are clear. Let's do another example. Third symbol from the right end is 1. So which string it will accept? It will accept 100. Here this is the third symbol from the right side. 101, then 110, 111, 0101, 10100, 01101. So now you can mark here, this is the third symbol from right, this is the third symbol, this is the third symbol, and this is 1. W equal to x1, then 2 plus. So this is the first position from the right hand, this is the second position from right hand, and this is the third position. And third position is fixed. So how many state it will be? It will be 2 power 3, that will be 8 state. And how many final state will be there? There will be 2 power 3 minus 1, that is 2 power 2. So there will be 4 final state. Now let's design this. So I'm not drawing the transaction diagram. I will do the direct transaction table. So this is the transaction table, and here 1 is fixed. It is asking about 1. So in place of 1, the odd number will be, odd state will be. And in place of 0, even state will be. Here 0 was fixed, so in place of 0, odd was there. Here 1 is fixed, so in place of 1, odd will be there. So it's just a sequence like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because there are 8 state. Then again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1 is fixed. 1 is fixed. So that's why in place of 1, all odd are there, and in place of 0, even was there. So in previous example, it was asking about 0. So in place of 0, odd was there. So now from Q0 by 0, it will go to Q0 by 1, it will go to Q1. From Q1 by 0, Q2 by 1, it will go to Q3. Then from Q2 by 0, Q4 by 1, it will go to Q5. Then from Q3 by 0, it will go to Q6 state. And by 1, it will go to Q7. And Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7 are the final state. Again from Q4 by 0, Q0 by 1, Q1, Q5 by 0, Q2 by 1, it will go to Q3, Q6 by 0, Q4, and by 1, it will go to Q5. Q7 by 0, it will go to Q6, and by 1, it will go to Q7. Now let's check whether these strings are accepting or not. Now first 100, from Q0 by 1, it go to state Q1, and from Q1 by 0, it go to state Q2, and from Q2 by 0, it go to Q4, and Q4 is the final state, so it accept. Now check 101, from Q0 by 1, it go to Q1, from Q1 by 0, it go to Q2, and from Q2 by 1, it go to Q5, and Q5 is the final state, so it accept. Now check 110, from Q0 by 1, it go to Q1, from Q1 by 1, it go to Q3, from Q3 by 0, it go to Q6, and that is the final state, so it accept. Now for 111, from Q0 by 1, it go to Q1, from Q1 by 1, it go to Q3, from Q3 by 1, it go to Q7. Next check for 10100. Now from Q0 by 1, it go to Q1, from Q1 by 0, it go to Q2. Next from Q2 by 1, it go to Q5. Next from Q5 by 0, it go to Q2, and from Q2 by 0, it go to Q4, and Q4 is the final state, so it will accept. Next check this string 01101, from Q0 by 0, it go to Q0, from Q0 by 1, it go to Q1, Then from Q1 by 1 it go to Q3. From Q3 by 0 it go to Q6. From Q6 by 1 it go to Q5, and this will be final state, so it will be accept. This DFA is accepting all this string. If you want, you can design the transaction diagram for from this transaction table. It is very easy. Just write the state name and according to the transaction you can do. This is the shortcut trick. You can use the shortcut trick, or without using the shortcut you can also do. So if any doubts, just ask me in comment. Thank you.